Okay, this is lesson 1.4, where we are investigating a circuit. Okay, some of the things it wants you to answer in your notebook. First question, first of all, this is your circuit right here. We have one battery connected to one light bulb and connected to a switch, and the switch is closed and the light bulb is lit just a little bit. It's not very bright. Okay, so it says to describe a problem that could be solved using this system. That's the first question that you need to answer. Second question, what is the source of energy for this system? Third question, how does the switch affect energy in the system? This is the switch right here. When we open the switch, the light goes off. When we close the switch, it comes on. Okay, question 4, how do your observations provide evidence that the switch affects the energy in the system? Okay, so use your observation of what I just told you happened to tell me how you know the switch affects the amount of energy. And then question number 5, think of another application of this kind of system and write a description of it. Okay, so think of another way or something else that you can think of that has a battery, a switch, and a light that some people use every day. Okay, it may or may not be every day, but it's pretty close. Okay, so the next thing it wants you to do is to connect more items to it. Okay, so I've got more light bulbs and I've got more batteries, and it says to connect 2 light bulbs so that both of them must be on at the same time, or both of them must be off at the same time. Okay, so we are going to add 1 bulb. Okay. And we're going to have to add 1 more battery because we don't have enough energy in 1 battery to power 2 light bulbs. Okay, so now I've got both of my light bulbs connected. If you can see right here, I've got 2 bulbs connected. They're connected to the switch, and I've got it connected to 2 batteries. Okay, this is called a series circuit where everything is in one line, one right after the other. Okay, and when I open the switch, both of the bulbs go out, and when I close the switch, both of them come back on. So that meets the requirement. Okay, then the next one says connect 2 light bulbs so that 1 light bulb can be turned off, but the other one stays on. Okay, so what we will have to do is use more than 1 switch. Okay, so I'm going to open my switch while I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 of my light bulbs and connect it to this switch. Okay, so now I've got 1 light bulb that stays on. So I've got another switch right here, and I'm going to connect this one So now, I've got everything connected with 2 switches, 2 bulbs, but I can open a switch and this bulb goes off and this one stays on. Okay? Close the switch and then they're both on. But if I open this main switch, both of the bulbs go out. Okay? And that's because this main switch right here is connected to both of your circuits. But when the main switch is closed, all of your light bulbs light up, but I can still open this secondary switch there and it turns off the light that it's connected to. Okay, so that meets that requirement. Now, it says connect 3 light bulbs so that 1 light bulb can be turned off, but the other 2 stay on. So, what we would have to do in this case is have 2 light bulbs connected have 2 light bulbs connected to 1 switch, and then have another light bulb, which I have right here, connected to our second switch. Okay, and I don't have enough wires, and it's hard to see, but I've got 2 bulbs in series right here connected to 1 switch. And then I have another switch connected here to a 3rd bulb. And I can turn this bulb on and off while this one stays lit.